Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Acrodynia. Acrodynia, it is a hypersensitivity reaction in children to mercury. Here, the patient develops pink and painful puffy rashes all over the body, also called as pink disease. The patient develops renal damage and kidney is the primary target for mercury poisoning. Minimata disease, that is organic mercurial poisoning. Minimata disease or organic mercurial poisoning is mainly due to the contamination of the fish.
thank you and thank you for watching.